Hello everyone. Today we learn alphabets with fun. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Completed. So now we put one by one alphabets here. Let's start. A, yellow color A, red color B, green color C, blue color D, orange color E, pink color F, yellow color G, red color N, green color I, blue color J, orange color K, pink color L, yellow color M, red color N, green color O, blue color P, orange color Q, pink color R, yellow color S, red color T, green color U, blue color V, orange color W, pink color X, yellow color Y, Z, red color. So now let's read. Are you ready, kids? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Vishal Kids Fun. Bye kids. See you in the next video.